Do you know what are top 5 reasons why we fall in love? Let's find out and watch until the end of this video. Number 1. We want to expand beyond yourselves. We humans by default have the innate desire to be beyond ourselves. Falling in love creates an environment or situation where you find a new opportunity to self-expand. Oftentimes if we are in love, we do things we don't usually do and we do things for the first time. And most importantly, we are becoming selfless in the process. Number 2. Good eye contact. Maintaining good eye contact allows you to see deep into the soul of your partner and it immediately creates a deep attraction for one another. This connection can be interpreted by your brain as love for some people. This is why the term, "your eyes are pretty," is said to be one of the most common romantic compliments used. Number 3. Outer and inner synchronicity. You fall in love when the processes of your body align with the right triggers present in the outside world. The right triggers refer to regular olfactory, visual, auditory, and tactile cues taking place in the proper order, time, and place. Scientifically speaking, in a romantic relationship, there are many different types of chemistry required for someone to fall in love. Various different external stimuli and neurochemical processes have to fit in the right sequence for you to fall in love. In other words, the mood of our date, the place and time it was set. These specifics create stimuli triggers interpreted by your body causing you to think you are happy and in love. Number 4. The smell. Body smell does trigger amorous feelings in men and women alike. These smell signals enter your brain through the olfactory system, and if your brain is in agreement, you fall in love. This is why perfumes were usually one of the things you use before you go for a date. Amazing, right? Number 5. Hormones. Hormones play a huge part in making you fall in love. Love-struck couples have high levels of dopamine in their blood. This neurotransmitter helps in stimulating an intense amount of pleasure and has the same effect on the brain as using cocaine. This is why the term, "love is a drug," became popular. Crazy, right?
TMC viewers, did you learn amazing facts today? Click like, subscribe, and hit share, so you won't miss any video. Thank you for watching Trendmaster channel. Stay awesome.